a warm welcome actually to this program that we are recording with Dr. Sameep Soni and someone really, I would say, philanthropic and very sensitive in these COVID times, that is Professor Meghdut Karnik. We are with both of them, and RSD Energy actually, which is a nutrition company, did this small effort of we keep advertising our products so much on the social media, and we made a small attempt of urging people to donate one of our immunity boosting products, and we thought that it would be excellent work to be able to give donate something like this to the front end healthcare workers who are really bearing the brunt for all of us relentlessly for last 5 months. And in fact, I want to bring it to everyone's notice that I realized and understood this even more because of Dr. Sameep Soni. We did a couple of these programs on the True Wealth integrative healthcare platform regarding how his hospital in a very short span made themselves COVID ready so that they will be able to serve so many COVID patients. And they have, of course, received a lot of accolades for the kind of service that they have been providing. But amidst that, we actually did a second program again because Dr. Soni urged. He said, a lot has been talked about doctors, but the staff, the ICU doctors and the nurses who are actually serving people for so long, their efforts and their stories should be heard. So we actually did one more program, and during that program, the ICU doctor who heads the ICU and the nurse who's heading the nursing staff came forth saying how they have been working day in, day out, and how they are in their PPE kits for hours, not being able to eat, drink, anything. And they also at the same time appreciated the efforts of Kausalya Medical Foundation and how much how they have been with them for years, and how the team at Kausalya Medical Foundation, which includes trustees like Dr. Sameep Soni and their family, and how they have been taking relentless care of these people as much as they can do for them. Through this, we of course had that at the back of our mind, and I had spoken with Dr. Soni that we want to do something for them. And when we announced for this donation, I was so very happy when I heard from my own professor, Dr. Meghdut Karnik. He's not just professor, he has actually worked very avidly in various fields in finance, from working with very big consulting firms to now he actually works on skill development hand in hand with the government, so that more and more skilled financial professionals will be churned out, and they will actually be able to make the difference to the society. So he came forth very immediately to donate this, and I'm glad that we're having this small ceremony, as we could call it. We are doing it virtually over the web because during COVID times we actually can't be personally out there. So I just want Professor Meghdut Karnik to say a few words, and then of course Dr. Soni, we will definitely want to hear from you. But I would just close by saying that we are very happy to be able to donate Energia Vitaminolites through Professor Meghdut Karnik to you, and we are hoping that while your ICU staff especially is in the PPE kit for those long hours, can actually stay energized, and whatever immunity boosting can happen, whatever deficiencies that they have, if that can get addressed with this product, that will be our immense pleasure. And we will continue to be able to do as much as we can with Energia and True Wealth for the society and for you, Dr. Sameep Soni. So over to Professor Meghdut Karnik.
Thank you, Rajeshri. I think a lot of good work is done by the doctors in this very difficult and tough times. the doctors, the ward boys, the nurses, the healthcare staff. They are spending a lot of time in the hospital, putting their own lives and their own health at risk. So when RSS Energia came to us with a proposal, just a small ad saying that why don't you donate Energia immunizer tablets, immunity tablets. We said we'll be the first one to do so, and obviously. I have no connection in the medical world, thankfully. Not interacted much with doctors other than at a personal level. Again, very thankfully for that. Nothing against doctors. I just hope I stay in very good health. And so therefore, we left the choice entirely to Rajeshri, and Rajeshri talked about the good work that Kaushalya Hospital has been doing. And being from Thane, I myself know Kaushalya Hospital, so it's not something new, some alien name to me. So therefore, I'm very happy to be of any use, or what should I say, of any service to the hospital and the healthcare workers. And I'm very glad with that. And any more help you require, please let me know. And best of luck, and keep doing this great work, sir. Wish you all the best, and let's hope we rid ourselves of this whatever virus so soon, so that life comes back to normal. Thank you.
Professor Karnik is being very, very modest. He didn't even want us to publicize this, but our idea is to be able to recognize, and like you said sometime earlier, it was so much that, just on a WhatsApp message, he immediately reacted and he said he wants to donate 50 bottles. And he said instantly he wants to do that. How many of us have really been able to do it? And I think, sir, you're leading this kind of work for the healthcare professionals, and we would definitely want more of us to stand together. And like you said again, that it's the squirrel's share today. In fact, we know it's a historic moment. The Ram Mandir is happening, but the squirrel, which really contributed. If more of us, and that includes me also, if we all together do something or the other in our smallest or the biggest way, imagine how much of comfort we can give to these people. I've heard their stories, and they are keeping away from their families. But are relentlessly being there. They're staying in the hospital, and I will let Dr. Soni talk about it. Our heart obviously goes for them, but in these times, I think we have to stand forth with more than just the heart, and keep doing all this responsible behavior by of course keeping social distancing and all the norms that are needed to keep ourselves safe. But any small or big thing that we could do, I will urge people to do that for the healthcare professionals. It doesn't have to be donating our product, but it can be more than that. Dr. Soni, it's such a pleasure to have you, and you are totally in action all the time, and we have been talking about your work for so long. But please share your heartfelt views on this recording, please.
Yes, firstly, I would like to thank Professor Karnik from the bottom of my heart, and obviously you being the catalyst for that this donation. And it is what I would like to say is it's not only the donation, it is the morale boosting. That person who is not related to this hospital, not related to this profession in itself, is donating for the betterment of the health of the people in a hospital. I think this message itself is so nice to hear, and I think we could not have timed it better than one of the best I think of our generation best times that charitable activities being done at this time. And I think both the person who is donating and as a person who is receiving, both are going to get blessings today. So I think I have got Dr. Ravi Raj, who is handling the ICU of Kaushalya Hospital, and I think we will make a small. I will be giving on behalf of Rajeshri and Professor Karnik. I will be giving the vitaminolites tablets to him so that he can give it to his team. So can we do it now?
Yes, please. We are really looking
Yeah.
forward to it.
So personally, I've got a lot of experience with this vitaminolites, and it is a favorite of my patients actually. And the taste as well as the total ingredients, Rajashri has actually hit it right on the spot, and it's absolutely wonderful. You can say nutraceutical, and I think our ICU staff also will like it, and I think they will be in good health. I will be handing over one vitaminolites to Dr. Raviraj, who is there with us.
Thank you so much.
And he will be in charge of coordinating for delivering all the bottles to the ICU people.
Absolutely bravo. I mean, for what all work all of you are doing. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead, Dr. Sonu.
Yes, so basically the ICU is the place where actually we save the lives. Out of let us say 100 patients, only 5 to 10% actually require an ICU. Rest, they just maybe given some oxygen, some may don't have. But ICU, and when a person from the ICU comes to the ward or goes home, it gives the maximum pleasure, or you can say satisfaction of job satisfaction. And the ICU is a place where the intensity is high throughout 24 hours. There is no morning, night, evening like that in the ICU. It is a continuous process. So I think they are the people who require the maximum, you can say, energy throughout the day. And it's a completely relentless job. So I think they will benefit greatly.
Well, I have already expressed how I felt when I first came to know about them. But this is I don't know, I'm smiling all over. The heart and mind is I'm so happy that I'm really the catalyst. You both are Professor Karnik and Dr. Soni. You are the ones who are really doing it, and I can't thank you enough for all that we are doing. This is such a small thing that we are doing right now, but Dr. Soni, you're taking your time out for even such a small celebration is speaks for the kind of the kind of person you are, and the family and the foundation that you are with. It really speaks for it. We know that I have so many from my friend circle, and we have so many on our program who have said that they have been very extremely happy with the kind of treatment they have received at Kaushalya Medical Foundation. We just wish that this keeps going on, and your people gather more and more strength to be able to do this till we are really going to taper on this pandemic, and we are hoping that will come soon.
Yes, it is. I think Thane is on the, you can say, a plateau, or if I may say, a slight decline as well. So I think in a few weeks, I think we should be doing good.
Professor Karnik, you want to say a few words, and then I think we will end the recording.
Once again, I would like to reiterate and commend the staff of the entire medical fraternity for the great work that they are doing. And then keep doing the good work, and I hope very soon this will go away and you guys get some rest.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
So, thank you everyone for joining on this call, and I think we wish safe and safety and the best to the healthcare workers, including Dr. Soni, you, because you have been doing so much all this through, and I from the bottom of my heart thank Professor Meghdut Karnik. You've always led us into the right direction when people like me have been your students, and you are continuing to do that, and this is a brilliant moment for me in the last 5 months. Though it may look small, big, whatever, for me it's the biggest. I can tell you that much. So thank you again.
Kind words, Raj.